Hello everyone, how are you? Dollar Currency 21 is here again. This is our Twitter account. There is a lot of educational content in our Twitter. Definitely go and follow us. We will explain the charts based on the daily and weekly, so you will see a lot of information in our account. Okay, so in previous session we talked about the Chikou span and we discussed together how to use the Chikou span. Today actually we want to talk about how to trade and what is our strategy to use Ichimoku. Okay, so we do that. I'm adding Ichimoku to my charts, uh, uh, and I'm checking all these boxes here. I need those lines. Okay, so I'm gonna go, for example, in 12-hour time frame, and I'm gonna go into the back. Okay, for example, I'm gonna go, for example, from here. Yeah, I wanna talk about what's happened, for example, from here, candle by candle. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, as you can see, the future Kumo cloud here is bearish. Okay, the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen are some kind of parallel. Okay, that's a sign of a side of a sideways market. Okay, and right now the price is between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, and we had a bearish cross here in the past. Okay, uh, the price is struggling with the Kumo cloud here. The Kumo cloud is thin here, so the possibility for a breakout is here. Okay, and we are looking for a potential breakout. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. Right now, the as if you remember, I said that whenever we had a flat Kijun-sen that act as a resistance. So this is our resistance, for example, daily resistance or 12-hour resistance. Okay, 12 resistance here. Okay, and here is another resistance for us. Okay, so these two levels are important for me. And look, this flat Kijun-sen, okay, this flat Kijun-sen here is at the same level of these flat Senko span B. So the $11,000, 150, 50, $55 is an important resistance for me. Also this level, okay? And look how beautifully price showed reaction to these flat Kijun, okay? So price wanted to break it to the upside, okay? I'm getting rejected at the flat Kijun because I know that there is a strong resistance here, okay? So price is below the Kumo cloud. I'm not opening a long position here, okay? So price is struggling. Here is my bullish cross, okay? So my first bullish signs happened here, okay? I see a I see a bullish cross between Tenkan and Kijun. Okay, so this is a bullish cross for me, and this is the first sign. But I'm not opening a long position here. This is just one of those signs. Okay, I need a bullish future Kumo cloud, which is not there yet. Okay, the future Kumo cloud is not bullish. Okay, I need Chikou above the Kumo cloud. Chikou span is here below the Kumo cloud, and I need price above the Kumo cloud, which is right now is below the Kumo cloud. So I'm not opening a long position here. We will going candle by candle. I'm still in the market. I'm still watching the market. As you can see, price wanted to break the Kumo cloud to the upside. I know that the bottom of the Kumo cloud here is Senko span A. Okay, how do you find that? Simple. This is Senko span B. Why? Because it's a flat line. Okay, so the other one will be Senko span A, which is weaker. This is a stronger. This is weaker line. Okay, for me. So I know that the bottom of the Kumo cloud will act as a resistance. Okay, so a rejection happened here. Okay, But I know that the flat Kijun-sen also acts support here for me. Okay, so this is my support, and as you can see, price wanted to break it to the downside, but it couldn't. Okay, here is a 12H support for us. Okay, here price is between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. Okay, between support and resistances. I'm watching some kind of here at this candle, we broke the Senko spanner A to the upside, which is a bullish sign. Am I opening a long position? No, because I need the price break this level to the upside. Okay, so and look, the Kijun-sen is angling to the upside, and look at the shape of the Kumo cloud. I told you before, the shape of the Kumo cloud are important for us. Here, the shape of the Kumo cloud is looking round. Okay, and this is one of the signs that we are losing the bearish momentum. Actually, we are the possibility for a bullish momentum is high here. Okay, here the next candle we approximately near to this Senko spanner B here, and I know that this level is important for me. Okay, and some kind of resistance here. We broke the Senko spanner B with a pretty sharp and strong candle to the upside. Okay, and this is my second bullish sign here. Okay, so here here at this candle, this is the number, this is the second sign for me. Okay, price broke the Kumo cloud, which is a bullish sign for me. Yeah, and look, at the same time Chikou span also broke the Kumo cloud to the upside. This is another bullish sign for me. Okay, so here Chikou also broke the Como cloud to the upside. Okay, this was the Como cloud above the Chikou, which acted as a resistance, and now Chikou span is in a free space. Okay, and we want it to be in a free space. Okay, so I have three bullish signs. Am I opening a long position here? No. Why no? Because the future Como cloud is still bearish. Yeah, we see some kind of roundness, but I have to wait for a bullish future Como cloud, which will be green. Okay, I'm not opening a long position, but all the signs are here. The Kijun-sen are angling to the upside, the Tenkan-sen are angling to the upside, price is above the Kumo cloud. All of these are bullish signs. Okay, I'm waiting for the price. Price is above the Kumo cloud. As long as we are above the Kumo cloud, that's a good sign for us. Okay, look how beautifully the Senko spanner B acting as a support for us. Okay, here price is still above the Kumo cloud, but I'm not opening a long position. I'm waiting for a bullish future Kumo cloud. Okay, here we're watching the price still not opening. I'm watching the price. Okay, I'm watching the price here. For the first time, we see the future Kumo cloud turn to bullish. Okay, now it's time to open your long position. So I'm opening my long position at the close of this candle, which will be here. Okay, and the first question you must ask yourself is, where's my stop loss? I know where is my entry point. Okay, where is my stop loss? Okay, so in this situation, uh, you can put your stop loss below the flat Kijun-sen. These flat Kijun-sen acting as a support for us, is a strong support for us. So first level to put your stop loss is here. Okay, acting as a support. Okay, so I'm gonna select this as a stop loss. Okay, the second level you can put your stop loss is below the Kumo cloud, which will be here. Okay, why? Because the bottom of the Kumo cloud, we know that act as a support for us. So in this level, you can put it here. Okay, or for example, you can put it below this level, which will be the previous swing. Okay, in this example, the previous swing and the bottom of the Kumo cloud are at the same level. Okay, if you be a risky person, okay, you can put your stop loss below this level as well, okay, which is the top of the Kumo cloud. We know that the Senko spanner B actually acting as a strong support, okay. So if you want a B risky person, okay, risky trader, you can put your stop loss as well here. But me, I prefer flat Kijun-sen because flat Kijun-sen is really a good friend for me in trade. So I'm gonna trust to the flat Kijun-sen. So here, basically, you have your entry point and you have your stop loss. Okay, what's your target? Okay, first, uh, imagine you know nothing about the, for example, global market financial things, for example, FOMC meetings, interest rates, Dixie, or you know nothing about anything. Okay, you want to just trade based on the chart signals. Okay, and you have no idea what's going to happen with other charts, for example, Dixie or S&P 500 or other ones. Okay, and you know nothing about the strengths of this momentum. Okay, so just based on the chart you have in the first strategy, your first target will be 1.5. So this is your first target here. Okay, this will be your first target, target number one. Okay, and your target, your second target will be 2. Okay, here I'm moving here until I see number 2 here. Okay, which will be your risk to reward ratio. So your second target will be here. Okay, so this is your second target. Now you have your stop loss. Let me delete these levels. Okay, delete these levels. Okay, for better visual. Here you have your entry point, you have your stop loss, and you have your target. Okay, you have to take profit at least 80% of your position at the target one, and you have to close the rest of your position at the target two. Let's see what happened after that. Okay, price is moving to the upside. Price is moving to the upside. Here we see a nice candle. Okay, so in this candle, in one candle, we hit the target one and target two simultaneously. Okay, but this is a 12-hour time frame, and it's take times to hit these two levels actually. So at this level, you took profit 80%. At this level, you will close your position 100%. Okay. Imagine I'm gonna cut the price from here again, and imagine you are a professional trader, and you know. And you can analyze, for example, Dixie and, for example, FOMC meetings, Federal Reserve interest rates, and you have the idea that this momentum is a strong momentum. Okay, so based on these informations, uh, and also you're a professional trader. Okay, you want to use the second strategy. In the second strategy, okay, in the second strategy, you have the entry point. This is your entry point. Okay, there's no difference. This is your entry point. Okay, and this is your stop loss. So no difference in these two levels. Okay, but you don't have any targets here. So your target is completely free. Okay, and we will go up with the trend. We will move with the trend until we see a candle close below Tenkan-sen while Kijun-sen is flat. Okay, I'm going to show you during the charts. Okay, so let's see what can happen. Okay, so I have set my two levels. Double click here. This is your entry point and this is your stop loss. I just double click on these tools. Okay, so entry point here, stop loss here. And if you wonder what is this and how I found how I added to my charts here, you can from this section you can add it with long and short position. Okay, so this is a long position, so you can double click here and copy this number as your entry point and copy this number as your stop loss. Okay, and this is your profit, but we have no profit here at this in this strategy. Okay, so here I'm going to continue and see what's going to happen. Price is moving up here. Price is moving up, and my stop loss is here. I'm not moving my stop loss at these moments. Okay, so price is moving up here. The moment that you see a flat Kijun-sen, you can move your stop loss. For example, here I see a flat Kijun-sen, so I simply move my stop loss and put it below the flat Kijun-sen. Do you know why? because the flat Kijun-sen, as we said before, is acting as a support and a strong support here. So you can put your stop loss below a strong support. So I'm moving my stop loss here and see what's gonna happen. I'm 100% in the market. I'm not closing anything. I'm not taking profit. Okay. So here I see another flat Kijun-sen, so I'm just moving my stop loss. Okay. So price is going up. I see another flat Kijun-sen. I'm just moving my stop loss. So during this level, when you're moving your stop loss to the upside, actually you're trailing your stop loss. Okay. I didn't see any close candle below the Tenkan-sen, so I'm still in the market and I'm watching the trend. Okay. Price is going up and I see a flat Kijun-sen. I'm moving my stop loss. At this candle, look, we touched the Tenkan-sen perfectly. Look how beautifully Tenkan-sen act. This green line is Tenkan-sen. Tenkan-sen acting as a beautiful support for the price. Price touched it. Here we broke the Tenkan-sen to the downside, but we closed above the Tenkan-sen. If you pay attention, we closed above the Tenkan-sen. So this is not my exit point, okay? And I'm just simply move my stop loss, and I'm still in the market. Price is going up. Here we broke the Tenkan-sen to the downside, again closed above it. Look how beautifully price sitting above the Tenkan-sen. Tenkan-sen acting as a support here. I'm still in the market, okay? Price is moving up, okay, and how beautifully acting as a support. These Tenkan-sen really is a good indicator, okay. Price is going up here. Still I'm in the market. Price is angling. Look here, the flat Kijun-sen angling to the upside. Okay, it's an inclined to this angling to the sky. The Kumo cloud angling to the sky. Here, the Chikou span angling to the sky, and price is bullish. Okay, when these factors are aligned together, that means a strong bullish momentum. Okay, so here we are going up. I'm not moving my stop loss. I need a flat Kijun-sen. Okay, see here we have a flat Kijun-sen. I'm moving my stop loss and I'm putting it below the flat Kijun-sen. Here we again broke the broke the Tenkan-sen, but we closed above it. I'm still in the market. I see a flat Kijun-sen. I'm just moving my stop loss. Here flat Kijun-sen. Another flat Kijun-sen, I'm just moving my stop loss and I'm putting it below the flat Kijun-sen. Okay, we are still in the market and price is going up. Let me move this. We are still in the market. Okay, price is going up. Here I see another flat Kijun-sen. Just move your stop loss. Another flat Kijun-sen, and look, we broke the Tenkan-sen to the downside. Okay, we broke the Tenkan-sen to the downside and we closed below the Tenkan-sen. 100%. This is your exit point. Okay, this is your exit point. As a beginner trader, exit point. Okay, why? Because we closed below Tenkan while Kijun was flat. Okay, so as a beginner trader, definitely it's an exit point, or at least 90% take profit of the market. Okay, you have to take heavily profit here at this section, because who knows, maybe something like this happen. Okay, something like this happen and you will be getting stopped out. Okay, in this situation, so you want to take profit here. But look how beautifully the Kijun-sen act as a support here. Okay, so definitely this is your exit point, and as a beginner trader. I hope you enjoyed. We will talk about the rest of these trade in the next session. See you later. Bye.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, still